Andrew Fishing.
Rod Father.
We're out here today on Lake Nipissing. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on the video. Do the same for this guy over here. Let's get to fishing. Let's do this. Thanks, man.
Are you recording for me? You guys ready? You guys ready? What do you think?
With the eyes?
Oh, dude, 100.
Smalley. Bye. What?
You're not your own fish.
He did all the work himself there. That might be what we're marking here.
What?
I don't know. It's got a good fight, whatever it is.
You need another?
I think so. Can't tell. Feels like it's pulling pretty friggin' good.
Take your time with it. Take your time.
Might be a pike.
I have pike.
Yeah, that's a pike. Oh, it's from.
Let her keep running. Let her keep running. Let her get tire out. That's awesome. Let her tire right out.
I've never caught one of these.
Let her tire right out, man. And it'll be easy. Very closer. That's awesome.
That's a beast.
Yeah, they get huge out here, man.
Shit.
Look at the tiny little mouth on it. Can I hold this thing up?
Yes.
Dude, the mouth's so freaking tiny.
Oh my god. Oh. It's a chunk.
Yeah.
Damn. Yeah, you can throw it back. I don't need to hold that one.
Dude, it's heavy. That's how they're built, though. It's like wide like that. That's awesome. You never caught one of those?
No.
That's a good bycatch, man. That's wicked. Oh, that's awesome. You never caught one because, like I said, they're fun when you haven't caught one.
Well, dude, that thing fight,
You
man.
like that? You know, out here it's either a pike or
A drum.
there you go.
Well, that's the thing. I've seen a lot of them get caught, but
That's an old sheephead for you folks at home there.
whew,
Lake Nipissing sheephead.
ugly bugger.
Oh, dude, they're disgusting.
That school is moving out, but we're coming back through. There's more starting on the graph. I don't know yet.
That's not a light rod, eh?
Oh,
What?
yeah. Oh, I don't want him. He might snap it. That's a good one, buddy. Oh, yeah, I need the net.
Grab it.
No, I don't think he's gonna. He's not a keeper, but. Should probably go 16, 17. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Like just shy of 18, like 17 and a half. I'm not gonna get it. You did it? Oh.
All good.
Hey, there you go. You kept a worm. Yeah,
All right.
yeah, it looked like it. Good bend in the rod. The when we went out to Lavaz, same thing. We just did this drifting. Oh,
No, right out of his mouth.
that sucks.
Oh. I'll put it back. It's just nipping. That's 100% walleye.
Yep.
That's a Walter. That's a Walter, guys. That's a Walter Cronkite.
Oh, sorry.
Good.
Smalley. Oh, he spit my worm. Like, where are you guys when I'm trying to catch you? They're dinks, so the little smallies here. Isn't it ironic that like small fish are harder to handle? Or I just suck at handling fish, but you know. A little bit of both. Ooh, whatever that is big. Wonder if that's a drum.
Hold on. Let me work it.
Yeah.
Buddy. Okay.
Yeah.
Honestly, I felt getting tapped. I felt getting tapped. That's why I get your line on the phone. I felt getting tapped. That's why I was like, you must look now, dude.
Whatever this is.
It's gonna be a big eye.
You think so?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Dude, let's go, baby. This is why we come here. Dude. I'm getting the knee shakes here, buddy. But this is a long fight, man. I'm trying to keep her slow.
Yeah.
Okay, it's gonna be a drum, or a big eye, or a pike, or a Cisco.
That's a pike. That's a good size pike, buddy.
Yep.
Can't see anything either still. That's how I felt fighting that drum,
Oh,
buddy.
that's a big drum!
Yes!
Dude, that's a huge. Hold on, not yet, not yet. Let it tire itself out. I'm getting a pitch for this. This has got to be a good drum, eh? Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's, yeah. It looks about the same size. Oh! Ooh!
She's running too. Let her tire out. Let her tire out. She's going to go for another run, I think. Oh, I think we're good. Oh, hold on. Yep, hold on.
One little run here. Oh!
This is why you come to Nipissing. Drum City. It's a big fish.
Buddy, you want to get a weight on it just to see?
Yeah, hold on.
For reference?
Dude, that's a big fish. So wait on that.
Over 5. Alright, there you go.
Okay, buddy, here. I got it on porch mode already. I want you to take a good picture of that. That's hilarious. Drums, baby! You got the clip in there? Okay. Trying to get a couple, okay?
Yeah.
Make it look good, too. Does it look good?
Yep.
Okay, there's one. There's another. Yeah. That's why we come to Nipissing, baby.
No? Oh. There's an eye. There we go. Alright. Alright, we're going to stay here for the rest of the night then. Gold.
I spy with my little eye. Oh, he's pooing on me, man.
Pat's just getting shit on.
He pooed on me. And he's usually getting shit on. Why is it me today?
Oh.
You want to lip him?
Yeah. I heard that's how you're supposed to hold the eyes.
Oh! It's everywhere!
No. Don't know how that'll turn out, but we'll find out.
Hopefully it's a perch, so I can well it.
I think it is.
No, it's a...
Little eye. Yeah.
I spy with my little eye. Yeah. That's so fun.
Now you see what I've learned here tonight is I only catch fish when I stop trying to fish.
Well, because what you're doing is wrong.
Exactly. I'm the issue. Who would have thought that?
Is anybody wanting to know, the beach is not way.
Oh, there you go.
Little...
Ooh,
Oh, it's another one.
long, eh?
Where does that go?
That goes in the well.
Sorry, man.
Yep. Alright guys, we're heading off the water. Drum bite over. Check you next time.